So what do you need to do next?
So I just need to group all these together and then save it.
We're gonna have to extend the cords because it's not gonna reach. Was this just unplugged? Yeah. All right. All right, something went wrong.
We know as kids are little that they learn by doing. I was really researching and looking for things to bring that feeling of project-based learning and inquiry into the science classroom. That's what I felt it deserved. I came across Fuse. The Fuse program is a set of challenges, inquiry-based challenges that the students can choose from. They're ranging from computer programming to engineering to 3D printing. They'll use some of the tools to solve the small challenge, and then it levels them up. Then we kind of build on their skills. It's really not focused on teacher delivery. We're focused on student-centered work and inquiry and learning by problem solving. To get it started and rolling is really the toughest piece of it. Without Siemens, we would not be here at all. Thanks to the grant that we were able to receive, this is why we have our class right now and why these kids get to do all these awesome things. If you come into the class, it might be a bit much. It's busy, even for me sometimes, it's sensory overload, but when you really look closely at what's happening, every single kid is busy.
A Fuse lab it's different, you know, it's something to it's kind of like a recess for junior high and high schoolers. Instead of playing though, you're using your mind, you're doing your own things and learning things that you don't even realize that you're learning. Like being a leader, being creative, asking questions, problem solving.
They could literally all have different challenges going on at the same time. And they will be able to articulate to you exactly what they're doing. And then you'll see at times, you know, someone who's stuck. And another kid will come over and say, when I was working on this challenge, here's what I learned and here's what I did.
You get to work on more hands-on things and more about failure in life and more life lessons.
I've never seen kids so engaged and so excited to show you what they've done and highlight the failures that they encounter. They're real proud of that.
I always tell them, well, if it's not challenging, then you're probably not learning something from it, right? It's meant to be tough, and it's meant to want to motivate you to keep going.
Basically, this class is like a leadership class, and a science class, and a math class, and an English class, all rolled up in one.
This is a building block for what kids will do beyond our classroom and what they'll share with the world. They become creators rather than just the consumers. Siemens is really bringing the outside world into our classroom, which is super cool.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.